In this video, I'll show you how to send GIFs on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app. Let's say you want to send a GIF to someone. Tap where it says iMessage, and you'll see a plus sign to the left of it. Tap on that, and you'll see a bunch of different options. It might be a little confusing because there's no direct GIF option, but Apple has decided to put GIFs under hashtag images. Tap on that, and you'll see a bunch of GIFs to choose from. You can also search for a specific GIF. For example, if I wanted to send something related to Happy Gilmore, I can type that in and find a bunch of classic GIFs. Let's say I choose one that says, "You're too good for your home." I can tap send, and just like that, the GIF is sent. Now, if you don't like the choices, you can always go to Google and search for GIFs. I recommend using Giphy, which is a great option for finding more GIFs. Once you're there, you can browse through and select the GIF you want. After that, you can share it by tapping the little airplane icon and choosing how you want to send it, such as through a text message. I hope this helps. If it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.